Hey there, productivity ninjas. Today, we're diving into Trello, the ultimate weapon to conquer your chaotic to-do list. If you've ever dreamed of being an organized genius, or at least faking it, stick around because we're about to make Trello your new best friend. Let's go. First things first, head to Trello.com. Click Get Trello for free because, let's be honest, free stuff is life. After signing up, check your email. Trello will send you a love letter disguised as a verification link. Click it, and boom, you're officially part of the Trello club. Fancy, huh? Trello speaks in boards, lists, and cards. Here's the breakdown. Think of these as your big picture, your kingdom, your empire, your Netflix watch list. These are the stages of your project. For example, to do, in progress, and what was I thinking? These are your tasks. Each card holds all the juicy details like descriptions, due dates, and even a checklist for subtasks. A checklist for your checklist? Yes, please. Click Create New Board, and don't just call it My Board. Be descriptive. Call it something like Operation World Domination or Finally Getting My Life Together. Now jazz it up with a background. Choose a color, or go wild with an image. If you're feeling extra fancy, pick something motivational, like a picture of coffee or a cat judging your procrastination. Create your lists. Hit Add a List and name them something practical like To Do, In Progress, and Done, or quirky like Stuff I'm Ignoring and Stuff I'm Finally Doing. Organize your workflow however you like. Trello doesn't judge. Now, add some cards to your lists. Each card is like a mini project. Click Add a Card and name it. Then click on the card to open a world of possibilities. Explain the task, or just write "Do this now" in all caps. Perfect for breaking down your tasks or creating a list of snacks you need to survive. Because deadlines are a love-hate relationship. Add files, memes, or a motivational GIF. Whatever works. Color code your life like the organized, rainbow-loving rockstar you are. Feeling extra? Activate Trello Power UPS, which are like the bonus features in your favorite movie. Want a calendar view? Done. Need automation? You got it. Click Power UPS in the menu and enable whatever makes you feel like a productivity wizard. Invite your team, or friends, or unsuspecting family members by clicking Invite on your board. Assign them tasks by dragging their names onto cards. Now you can boss them around without saying a word. Genius, right? Meet Butler, your personal Trello assistant. Set up automation rules to do repetitive tasks for you. For example, move cards automatically when a due date passes, or create a checklist for new cards. Basically, Butler works so you don't have to. As you complete tasks, drag and drop cards across lists like the project management pro you are. Feel that sense of accomplishment? Yep, that's what productivity feels like. Bonus points if you review your completed list to remind yourself that you're killing it. Trello has more cool features to explore. See all your tasks laid out like an organized dream. Get a bird's eye view of all your boards, because one board is never enough. And there you have it, folks. A crash course in Trello that's equal parts practical and hilarious. Now go forth, organize your life, and make your to-do list cry tears of joy. Oh, and if you're a visual learner, check out some Trello tutorials on YouTube, like this one, wink wink. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because I know you're procrastinating on something anyway. See you next time.